Okay, we're working with combinations and a problem-solving question. So I've really abbreviated all the information in this problem-solving. But they've told us that there are 15 techs and 15 chem employees, and they're trying to make committees of 5. And the very first option tells us how many options are there if the committee can be chosen in any way. So essentially, let's use place values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're looking at a committee that can be chosen in any way, and the order doesn't matter here. So actually, we don't need the place values, not until the next question. So this is just a combination. We need to know how many people there are in total. There are a total of 26. So that looks like 26C5. So whatever that value is, I'm not going to calculate right now. I'm just going to set everything up. You guys can do that on the side. But this is essentially an answer for any way. So there's a pool of 26 people. How many different ways can we choose 5 people? Okay. Now, with our one tech, well, what that means if there's one tech, this is where the place values come in handy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, one of the positions will be held by a tech, which means we now have 1, 2, 3, only 4 positions to choose from. And I'm under the assumption that it's not at least one tech. They're just saying you could only have one tech.
Yeah.
So this question is a little vague. Are they saying only one tech?
No, it says exactly.
Exactly. Okay. Okay, so exactly one tech. Let's go on the assumption that there's only one, which means there's now 4 positions, and we can no longer choose from the techs. The techs are gone, so we're only using chemists to choose from. So now we're looking at how many ways can we choose 4 positions out of the remaining 11 chemists. Okay. When it's one chem, it'd be the exact same setup. You have one chemist spot. You have 4 positions to choose from. But this time we're choosing from the techs. So because there's 15 techs to choose from, how many ways can we fill 4 positions out of them? Okay. For there to be 2 chemists, or exactly 2 chemists, same idea. There are now only 3 positions to choose from, and there are 15 techs. So how many ways can we choose 3 positions out of the 15 techs? And then finally, to be all chemists or all techs. Okay, so what that means is there's 5 positions to choose, and out of the techs, so if we're doing, sorry, the chems are first, the chemists, there are 11 chemists, so how many ways can we choose 5 people out of the 11 chemists? Or if it's the techs, how many ways can we choose 5 individuals out of the 15 techs? Okay, all of these will give you a value. We can kind of fly through them on our calculator, but that's essentially the setup for all of them. You can calculate it on the side.